Hey everyone, it's Fatty. I am back with yet another video. Today is a phantom video sub guide for the Yeezy Boost 380 Calcite Glow. Alright, so these are being released on YeezySupply tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and for those on the West Coast, 6 a.m. Pacific Time, releasing in the men's size. Well, duh, that's obvious, right? Let's see. So, yeah, let's just go through. Let's just, get right to it. So, once you open up Phantom, right now version 0.51.2, once you do that, click on Yeezy, and this is all the different things you have. For the skill, I'm going to add it here, and as always, I'm going to have all the information for you down below. For this one, it should be GZ8668. Size-wise, so random is basically, you would choose any random size. So for some reason, I'm looking, and I'm like, did I say Yeezy Boost 380 or 350? Well, you guys know this is the 380. Anyways, random thoughts myself. Talking about random. So random size, right? That's basically going to tell Phantom to choose any random size for you. That's if you want to run any, like a full size run. If let's say, hey, I want to run just a 4, click on 4, and the task will only create, only try to add a size 4 for you. If you want to say, hey, I want to do this babe sizes from 4 to 7, click on multi-sizing, and then basically just do 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, etc. Basically, you just need to have a comma in between each one, and only use a decimal point if you're doing half sizes. Quantity, for this example, I'm just going to do 5, but you can do whatever you want. You can do 1 for quantity, you can do 5, you can do 15, you can do 100. Basically, it tells Phantom how many different tasks you want them to create for you. Alright, down here is the profile, so I have my 5 different test profiles. So if I wanted all these tasks just for like my test 2 profile, I would just click on test 2 and that's it. If I want to say, hey, just make tasks for all my profiles, click here and then it will make 5 tasks, because I have 5 here, for test 1, test 2, test 3, etc. I'll do it for all of this. Proxy list. If you click none, then basically you're doing localhost, which means you're using your own IP, which we typically don't recommend. Default list is the default list, and then obviously if you have different proxy lists, which you make up here, this is the one you choose. And then checkout mode, as always, we always recommend doing 90% with advanced mode and then 10% without. Still need to confirm if advanced mode is going to be turned on. I'm pretty sure it should be. I'm not 100% sure as of now, because a lot of times we kind of make that decision, I won't say last minute, but as it gets closer to the release. So, if you're in Discord, just, keep an eye out in the announcement tab, and we'll definitely let you know. But yeah, like I said, 90% advanced, 10% standard is what we typically recommend for your ratio. If you do use advanced, what that means is you do not need to log into Captcha Manager. You do not need your 0.9 Gmails, etc. So you have nothing to worry about there. If you're going to do a standard checkout, then yes, you do need your Gmails. You do need to log into your Captcha Manager, which I'll show you in the next step, or at least where it is. All right. So for this one, I'm just going to do advanced, and then everything's all set. Click create, go here, and then here's all my different tasks. Again, basically what they did was they made 5 tasks per profile. So 5 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Captcha Manager is right here. This is exactly where you would go to log in. What else do you need to know? So in terms of delay, you go up here, settings, and then in the upper right hand, like right here, you should see your delay setting. That's the way you put it in. For this one, we definitely recommend doing at least 5,000. In terms of cookies, you do not need to generate any cookies. That's all going to be done for you on our end, on the back end. So don't worry about that. If you have the extension, you are more than welcome to go ahead and generate some cookies by yourself. But again, you don't have to. We'll have that for you. But I know people like to have it as a backup. The best time to start your task is typically when the sale begins. A lot of times we will tell you in the Discord channel on when to start you can also be on the lookout for that. But if you don't have access to our Discord, then when the sale begins, that's also another good time you could go ahead and get started. Proxy wise, again, data center and residential proxies both work. Data center, they're much faster, but they get banned easier, while residential, they're slower, but they're more trustworthy. And what that means is there's less chance of it getting banned. So I always recommend doing a mix of both, but that's my recommendation. You don't have to. You could go all data center, you could go all residential if you want to. It's completely up to you. And that is really it. It's super simple, super straightforward. And yeah, when you start running tasks, as you know, click on analytics. This is where you can see what you've carded, what you checked out, and all the details. So once you check out, all the information is here in terms of which site, what you got, what size, which profile, which proxy, and more importantly, what your order number is. All right. Profile, this is where you go to, enter your profiles and edit them. Proxies, this is where you go to, do your different lists. And task is task. All right, that's it for now. Good luck, guys. Keep on cooking, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye, guys.